this iPhone, the screen is bad. So if you want to learn how to change this iPhone XS screen, follow up this video and learn how to change the screen by yourself. Let me try to tap the emergency. It's not operating. The screen is bad. You can see the back iPhone SS. The screen is bad. So let me start by losing the phone. Watch very carefully to understand everything, how to replace this screen without any mistake. One thing about this is make sure you don't mistake the nuts, or you can call it a screw. Make sure you don't mistake it, because if you put the wrong nut on another wrong place, it might damage the board. So you remove the flex carefully. This is the new screen I'm replacing it with. You can see it's sealed up, a very nice screen. I use this company sometimes. I discovered that their screen is very nice, so I'm using this screen for replacement of the screen damage of this XX. So make sure you watch carefully and see how I'm going to change it successfully without any mistakes. First, you have to lose the earpiece. Make sure when you are losing this earpiece, do it carefully so you will not damage the earpiece flex, because it's very important if you want to get your okay. Good. So you can see I remove it carefully. This flex is very important because of your face lock and all that. If you are an engineer changing this screen, you have to be careful here, so you and your customer will not fight because of his face lock. Watch very carefully, no mistakes. Return back the knot where we remove it from. Yes, the part we lose it from, so return it back exactly at the same point so there will be no mistakes. Everything will work successfully and the phone will be 100% working with the face lock and all that. Good. It's where return back to normal. You can see it now. So it's time when you are clicking this flex back to the board, you have to be careful. Make sure you do no mistakes. Make no mistakes because of damaging the phone or damaging anything on the phone. Click it back the places you unclick the flex before. So make sure you pay attention when you are changing this screen, because you have to pay attention of any work you are doing so you will make no mistakes, so you and your customer will not fight on top phone. So make sure you make no mistakes. Click it back the same places you remove the flex from. So you now click the battery flex also back. So you can see now everything has been clicked very well, has been clipped very well. You put back the pan. Most of the engineer don't always return back this pan, but it's very bad. So make sure you replace everything you lose from customer phone, so the phone will not start giving he or her problems. Return back the nut, the same places we lose the nut from. This place is where you put back the long nut. Everything is well arranged inside. So you now couple the screen back. Make sure you look edge to edge. Make sure the screen has been clipped well without any line or any light displaying by the side. Good, everything is now coupled well. So it's time to turn on the phone. You can see you check edge to edge. Make sure there is, when you turn on the phone, there will be no light displaying at the side. So let's turn on the phone. so everything is going well now. The phone is booting, so I have it. You can see now the emergency. You see it tap where 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, all the numbers are operating where the job is done.